Number 8. The SAS Safety 66518 Raven Powder-Free Disposable Black Nitrile 6mm gloves are a reliable and durable choice for individuals and professionals in need of hand protection. Constructed from nitrile, these gloves offer exceptional resistance to punctures, tears, and chemicals, making them suitable for various applications. The powder-free design ensures that users with sensitive skin are protected from potential irritation, while the 6mm thickness provides a good balance of tactile sensitivity and durability. Additionally, the black color of the gloves conceals dirt and grime, maintaining a clean and professional appearance during use. With care instructions recommending hand washing, these gloves are easy to maintain and can be reused in certain situations, adding to their cost-effectiveness. Imported from Malaysia, the country of origin further reinforces the quality and reliability associated with the product. Overall, the SAS Safety 66518 Raven Powder Free